Here's a great deal on a 2019 Chevrolet Colorado. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has less than 10,000 miles. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and air conditioning. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.